now let's look into the navigational map of additional categories or roadmap of additional categories. So additional categories consists of data reduction, data transformation, and outlier detection and data imputation. So in each method, so in each module, we will be learning about the following subtopics. So in data reduction, consists of a uh, techniques for reducing the complexity or size of data, such as sampling, aggregation, dimensionality reduction methods. That's what these are the techniques we'll be covering in data reduction category. Then we have data transformation. In a data transformation, this module consists of the techniques for transforming data into a different format or scale, such as normalization, standardization, and log transformation. This is called data transformation. So these are the techniques we'll be looking into the data transformation. And the third one is outlier detection. In outlier detection, techniques for identifying outliers or unusual observations in a data set. For that, the techniques we'll be using are box plots, G-scores, Manhal-Nobis distance. And the final one, the last but not least, data imputation. So the data imputation, so techniques for filling in missing values in a data set, such as for that we're gonna use mean imputation, median imputation, regression imputation, imputing a missing values. For that we can use mean or median or a regression. So for now, let's begin with a data reduction. So now we will begin this additional categories section with the data reduction. In data reduction, we will be seeing the following techniques: sampling, aggregation, and dimensionality reduction. Okay, before we jump into the data reduction, let's understand what is a data reduction. So data reduction techniques are commonly used in data analysis and data science, as exploratory data analysis in data science, to simplify complex data sets, reduce computational overhead, and improve efficiency. That's what the main purpose. What's the main purpose? The purpose of using data reduction techniques are in the exploratory data analysis of data science to simplify complex data sets into the simple data set, so that you can reduce the computational overhead and improve the overall efficiency. So these techniques involve transforming the original data into a smaller representation while retaining the most relevant information. So there are several different methods for data reduction, including sampling, aggregation, and dimensionality reduction. Anyway, we'll begin with the sampling.